friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to on off use 24-hour format on Samsung mobile phones. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down like this, and here you are going to find the general management, so click on it. So after you have been click on it, here you are going to find the date and time option. Okay, so here you have to click on this date and time. So after you have been click on it, you are going to find this use 24-hour format. So if you want to use this 24-hour format, you just need to click on this icon like this. Here the 24-hour format will be activated. Okay, and if you want to off this 24-hour format, you just click on this icon like this again. Here the 24-hour format will be off. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.